From Eyewitness News, this is 13 Investigates.
Well, across Indiana, families desperately in need of in-home nursing care cannot get it. This is because of serious statewide shortage of home nurses.
13 Investigates has been reporting on the shortage.
To approve higher reimbursement rates for home nursing. 13 Investigates has learned that request was just approved, and the new rates go into effect right now. It's a pretty big jump. Here, take a look. For home health aides, the reimbursement rate is increasing 18%. That goes up to 32% for registered nurses and a whopping 52% for licensed practical nurses who work in home care. You'd think the state's home health care industry would be ecstatic by all this, but it's not, because these big increases will have only a small impact on the state's home health care crisis.
Make a sound if it hurts and I'll stop.
Home nurses like Sue Halverson have been waiting for better reimbursement rates for years. But this week's rate increase probably won't have much impact on their salary. That's because the increase announced by the state is only for respite care. The kind of home nursing that allows family members caring for a loved one to go out to dinner, schedule a doctor's appointment, or attend a friend's wedding. The vast majority of home nursing care provided in Indiana is not respite care. It's daily nursing that's crucial for sick and disabled Hoosiers to stay in their homes. The kind of nursing that allows family caregivers to go to their jobs or to get a good night's sleep, while a home nurse cares for their loved one who needs round-the-clock care. The rates for that type of home nursing are not going up and haven't really changed in more than a decade.
It's frustrating.
The new reimbursement rates implemented by Indiana's Family and Social Services Administration also create a very awkward system. Under the current setup, a home nurse like this one who cares for a patient while his parents are at work will get paid a lot less than when that same nurse cares for that same patient while the parents are out to dinner and a movie. Why should those rates be any different?
It just doesn't make sense. And I think that FSSA knows that and that they do need to make them the same.
Leslie Deichman owns one of the largest home health care agencies in the state. She hopes FSSA will increase rates not only for respite care, but for all in-home nursing.
Hopefully, if we get all Medicaid rates raised up, we'll be able to take care of a lot more patients because we'll be able to get more nurses in here.
That's been the real problem. The rates the state has set for home nursing have been so low for so long. Home nurses are leaving in record numbers, and that means thousands of families that need home health care can't get it. The new rates are a step in the right direction, but until the governor and state lawmakers approve an across-the-board rate increase, the home nursing crisis probably will not get any better.